be sitting tonight over a cornfield. It's probably about 8 acres of corn. We're going to be overlooking the edge of it. There's a small hedgerow in between, so we're hoping to kill a doe tonight. Our first deer with the bow, so wish us luck. Mosquitoes are horrible, so got this baby going. Hopefully it'll help us out. So we're gonna go ahead and climb up in the tree. It's a little bit late right now. It's about 5:30, 6 o'clock. So we're gonna make this quick. So we'll see you up in the tree. Well guys, we just got set up. It's we're all settled in now, but it's about 6:30. A little bit late this afternoon. First time for 2021 sitting in a tree. I'm super excited. It feels awesome. Mosquitoes were awful on the walk in, and but this thermocell's been kicking their butt, so I'm super jacked about that. Other than that, I've got Melissa behind the bow tonight. She's killed a couple deer with the guns, but she's never killed them with the bow, so we're really hoping she's gonna get one tonight right before dark. The trail cams have been showing that it's been hot, so right before dark, fingers crossed. We're sitting on a cornfield. There's 2 cornfields here with a brushy hedgerow splitting them in between, so she's got a mineral lick down below. Hopefully these deer will come into right there. It's roughly around 20-something yards, so other than that, maybe we'll see a bear too. There's been quite a bit of damage to the corn already. Right after they started earing up, a couple bears have been in here, so we're in a super pretty spot overlooking these fields, so hopefully tonight's the night. Wish us luck. Alright guys, it's just about out of shooting light here. We're gonna start wrapping up. We made it out for a quick little sit. We did see that little bunny down below, that was it. It's been pretty quiet this evening, so if anything, I expected to see something right before dark, but doesn't appear that that's gonna happen, so we're gonna slip out here just in case any deer do start showing up, so we'll catch you guys in the next one. Really appreciate you watching. First sit of the year, felt so good to be out, so we're going to be kicking off our semi-live series with this video. Will and I, Melissa, we'll all be out hunting as much as we can. We're going to kind of do a day-by-day series. You know, regardless, we didn't see any deer tonight, but hey, that's not what it's about. This is going to be the story of Melissa getting her first deer, or Will and I out hunting, you know, filling a couple does for the freezer, so we got a ton of content coming your way, so stay tuned. Subscribe, like this video, comment down below. Everything you guys do helps us out a lot, so we really appreciate it. Until next time, we'll see you later.